Welcome to Momo Cooking Channel. Nice to meet you all. Let's stir-fry celery today. Ingredients are celery and mushrooms. Wash and sliced mushrooms. Peel and slice celery. You may use peeler to peel off fiber. Chopped ginger. Stir-fry chopped ginger and chopped garlic. Add celery and stir-fry. Add mushroom. Sprinkle water to dry. Seasoning and sauté 1 minute. Plate and stir-fry mushroom and celery is done. This dish is easy and delicious. Give it a try. Do follow my next new recipes on Friday to Sunday, 3 times a week, yeah. Weekly recipes will be available on Monday, containing videos of previous week too. Thanks for watching. Follow my channel for more delicious recipes. See you in next video.